What up, y'all? So it's one of those days where I'm supposed to film a YouTube video. Alright, y'all, so today we are shooting a week worth of Instagram content in 24 hours. Just kind of a coincidence because I gave up Instagram and social media except for YouTube and Clubhouse for Lent. So I won't actually be posting on Instagram, but you guys can, right? Okay, I know what I need to do. I know I need to go get my outfits. Still push outside. That's usually green. That's orange. Anyways, I need to go get my outfits. I need to do my makeup. That's what I gotta do. That's all you gotta do, guys. Just do it like Nike. Alright, outfits. Maybe I should do this tomorrow. I don't know why I don't have motivation till the middle of the night. I need the sun today. El Sol. If I watch some YouTube videos, that will motivate me.
Like some kind of training where I'm gonna put together.
Alright, it worked. I'm motivated. Let's get
words. Know just what to say to make me fall for you. Say you put me first. Heart's been beating.
So as you can see, my outfits have been selected. But I want to go ahead and plan where I'm shooting each look now that I have the looks and what am I aiming for in the photo. So Sunday is just going to be some kind of like motivational graphic, either one that I find or one that I make for purposes of this video. I'll just make one on Photoshop, but of course you guys can get really great ones on Pinterest. I feel like Monday's like boss day, like getting started to your week. Tuesday's like that random day of the week. It's like not midweek. Let's do sweat Saturday. And then Wednesday we'll go with my white zip up top. Thursday, and then Friday the final look, which is actually kind of like shorts and stuff. So fun Friday. Hey, love me some alliteration. Bet. So we know what we're wearing for every day of the week. Does that have to be DIY? Sydney, I'm trying to convince my sister to shoot this for me. Are you busy today? Wonderful. I have something for you to do. She said yes. So I'm going to be shooting this with my Canon 70D Sigma 18 to 24mm lens. We're probably going to say between 18 and 50 millimeters for this shoot. Is that my shooter? So Sydney will be shooting me. She already knows I love my low angles. Happy birthday. It was her birthday yesterday. So we're going to go to the backyard for this outfit, you guys. Let's roll.
Fast, 'cause I know what I should do, and it isn't be with you. No, it isn't be with you. Not gonna let you steal this moment, so don't ask me what I mean. Cross-faded trying to own it. You're not coming home with me. I know I'm pretty when I'm naked. You'll be lucky just to taste it. Nice try with all the fake shit, but now I'm feeling pretty jaded. Out there doing flips, but you couldn't stick the landing. Now the scores are in. I'ma take another hit. I see I'm better by myself. Go ahead and try again, but you missed your perfect 10. Yeah, I'm not perfect 10. Not gonna let you steal this moment, so don't ask me what I mean. Cross-faded trying to own it. You're not coming.
We have come to the end of the shoot. The pics are looking cute. Where you going, Sydney? Hot dog time. Your hot dog not hotter than mine. Your hot dog hotter than mine. Well, that's a contradictory statement. Alright, y'all, I realized I forgot to like end this video. So it is a wrap. If you guys want to see how I edited my photos, check out my how I edit photos video. Yeah, I have a video also about taking bomb Instagram photos and how to instantly upgrade your Instagram if you guys are interested in more Instagram photos. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Support my channel by giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to join the Work That fam. Girls out.